What's good, y'all? This your boy DCPRT. This is a trade recap. The last 2 days, man, I've been getting my ass handed to me. Total loss the past 2 days was like $10,000. It's a scalp type of market, man. I don't like to scalp. I scalp when I have to. Like if something not working out, then I scalp. But I like to maximize my gains, man. But lately, man, these stocks just do random ass shit, and it's hard to do that, man. You really got to nail and bail, and just take what the market gives you, man. And I'm showing y'all a prime example right now on CEMI, man. Just look at this chart. Just look at it. All these sharp spikes and sharp drops. It's hard to read that type of action, man, because it's random, and that's what happened, man. I wish I would have recorded the last 2 days. I've been busy, not by my computer, because I can learn from it too. But yeah, I lost like what, 5,000 I think Monday, and then I lost 6,000 Tuesday. So I said, let me peel back and trade in my smaller account. I got 2 accounts, and just try to get a feel of this market, man, because can't keep going out like that. But both of the days that I lost the $5,000 and the $6,000, overall I was right. When the market closed, it looked like I had a great entry. The problem is the random ass spikes just come out of nowhere, and I got to stop out, and then the stock just come right back down. And it's annoying, bro, because I really had a nice entry. It just random ass spikes come out of nowhere, and you don't know if it's gonna keep going or not, so you gotta get out. So I take the loss, and then it ended up crashing, and I get back in, and another random spike. Just random stuff that you can't help. But that what happened in the past 2 days. Green day today, making $543. Trading small today. Like I said, trying to get a feel of this market, man. That's what you gotta do. You gotta adjust. And as y'all can see, markets are still doing this crazy stuff. As y'all can see, just a lot of sharp moves, man. You cannot trade this. If you are a trader that like to maximize your gains, like to hold on to the stock a little bit, stuff like that, man, it's just hard. As y'all can see, this is a nice move, spike, higher low, spike, higher low, right? Pull back. This cool. All of this is cool, except for when it get right here. Okay. Look like it's about over with, right? It's coming, and out of nowhere, just boom. Then a drop, then a boom, big drop. Like it's gonna make another new high, but out of nowhere, big drop. Spike. All these sharp moves, man. And then you think the stock is over with, right? Big drop. You think it's gonna fade off? Nope. Reverse. Just a random spike. So you think it's gonna reclaim, then out of nowhere, just boom, a drop out of nowhere. You can't get out of this type of drop. If you're going long right here thinking it's gonna spike, you can't get out of this long. It's just too fast, this drop. So you think it's over with, right? Nope. Reclaim, spike right back up. You think it's gonna break out? Nope. Psych again. Boom. Another drop like that. Now you think it's over with. Like, to be realistic, after this second drop, killer drop like this, you gonna think this over with, right? No, a reclaim grind and rip right back up. Like, it just bro, like, you cannot trade that, So what I did, man, I basically just scalp. As y'all can see, in, out, in, held this a little bit longer. Got in that 650, held through it, because I felt like it was a little too overextended, because it just kept ripping. At one point, it's gonna pull back like it did. So I held through this big drop, covered at 614. Let it do its thing. After this fake drop and hold back up, that's why I went long right here. Think it might go back up. It did do it. If I would have held through this, right? See, the reason why I got in long right here, because I think it was gonna do this, right? But what if I would have held through this and this? I would have sold, man. And then it did end up going to where I wanted to go to. That's what I'm saying. It ends up going where I wanted to go to, but it got to do the bullshit first before doing it. Be realistic. I would probably have been selling somewhere right here, because if you see a big drop like this, you gonna get out, because this drop could keep going, you know. But I stayed scalping it, you know. It popped. I got out just in time before the random drop. That's what I'm saying. I left it alone. But I mean, just it's crazy, man. And then at the end of the day, after doing all of that, this thing just fades. Still big drops. I mean, it's funny, man. Next stock is MEDS. Same thing, man. Like, it's crazy. Like, big ass spike, big drop. You know, the market open, it spiked. I look for it, I went short, right? You would think after this spike is done with, right? I cover right here at 648. You would think it's just gonna fade away, but nope. Out of nowhere, a spike. I figured it was gonna happen. That's why I got out. I said, if this thing reclaims 7, I'm out. Well, right here I did. I nail bailed it. As soon as I started seeing the curl up, I got out, man, because I don't have time for it. And I was right. The random spikes. Like the random spikes. It don't give you time to get out of nothing. Random spikes. People chasing, then it random drop. You know, pull back. People getting out right here, then it rip right back up again. Once I seen that, I said, okay, probably gonna fade back down. So let me get short. Got short at 7:30. It dropped. I should have sold it right here, but I thought it was over with, right? No. Still ripping. Like, you would think this is dead now, but nope, still ripping. I said if it crossed 7, I'm out. I'm gonna just take my small gain. I don't have time for the bullshit. So I got out at 7:15. Could have took the gain way down here, man. That's what I'm gonna start doing. If I see a start holding up like this, I'm out. I'm not dealing with it. I'm not doing it no more, because you know, these random spikes, it's frustrating. It gets on your nerve, man. And I know y'all feel me on this. If you're getting caught in random spikes and random drops, and then just keep squeezing, right? So I mean, you would think if it gets this high, it might as well break out, right? No, it's gonna fool all these longs, think it's gonna break out, and guess what happened? Just a full fade. Now it want to fade. No, it could have faded right here. Could have faded right here. Could have faded right here. All this random shit. Get everybody out. Now it fades. Man, you know, it's just crazy. So like I said, the markets today is for scalping. It's hard to just hold it. You can have a perfect entry. Look at these entries. These are good entries. Then they got in at the top right here. You know. Then they got in at the top up here. Short. Comfortable. But no, just out of nowhere, just a random spike. It's spiking way back up. That's what I'm saying. Even if you got good entries, you don't know if the stock gonna come all the way back up. And I could have easily held this thing for a fade and maximize my gain, just like what it did right here. Why this fade right here? Why couldn't it be right here? You know what I'm saying? Like, it's crazy. I mean, you see how this spike dropped, big ass spike? It could have easily spiked, dropped, big ass spike. It could have did it again. It didn't do it. Instead it just faded. But that's what I'm saying. It's random action. You gotta pretty much nail and bail in this market right now. Nothing smooth selling. It looks smooth right here, but you don't know if it could have easily just ripped and did some random ass shit again. But I managed to win every trade. I have not one loss today, even through all this crowd. If you do not chase. Please don't chase. If you chase, you grass. Your ass is grass. Because you see this big drop, people gonna tend to short right here because they think it's over with. But then out of nowhere, a big ass rip. Now short's getting out. You got to short at the top, and you gotta buy at the lows. You just got to do that. chasing will not work in these markets. You're gonna get crushed. So I'm finished up $543, all winners. I traded 6 times and traded MEDS and CEMI. Just wanted to trade small, man. Cause I got my butt kicked a couple days ago, 2 days ago. Lost like 11,000. You know, combined with Monday and Tuesday, easily could have been winners. But what I did, I overstayed. Like I had trades like this, like a great entry, and I thought I was good, and I would hold it, and then the stock would go against me, and I end up covering at the top. Like that's how Monday and Tuesday was. But overall, the stocks went my way, and I could have made like $2-3 a share off those off my trades, like really banking. But it just had to do the bullshit first. So I just said, man, to avoid the bullshit, just scout, man, till these markets come down, man, with all this manipulation stuff. So that's it for this this recap. Y'all stay safe, and that's it for this video. DCPRT.com. Peace.